guys! So, nasa plane na kami. Or inside the plane. Oh my god! See Barcelona in 2 hours! Yay! And I'm in the window. Ayan. Barcelona! Come on, boy! So we're just in the airport and we're going now to the shuttle. The shuttle kami. Actually, we're not gonna stay here in Barcelona. We're going to Costa Brava. So the travel will be like 2 hours and 40 minutes. I'm not pretty sure how long the travel is, but yeah, and it's already 8, almost 9 na here in Barcelona. So we're on our way to the place. How do you call that? Yeah, the airplane is really nice. We love it. I like the Norwegian. Oh yeah, so we are going out. Ooh. So I don't know. So I don't know where is the point of our thing here, and we don't know. I don't know as well what terminal are we. So I will find first our shuttle, guys. So see you later. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today is Saturday, 24 of March. So I'm in the terraces. So as you can see, last night we was in the airport. Dumating kami dito sa hotel like 12 midnight. So we arrived at 12 midnight, and actually it's a long travel. We traveled for like 10 hours. And we woke up at 7:30, roughly 7:30 to have a breakfast. And we're both tired, and he's very tired right now. So yeah, we're here in Costa Brava. So on my background, it's just there's a mountain in it and some houses here. And then on my left side is dagat or sea. I don't know if you guys could see it. Yeah, that is my view right now here in the balcony. So later, actually it's so hard. Nahihirapan akong i-adjust yung contrast ng ng camera ko kasi sobrang liwanag dito sa labas. So ayun. So ito yung hotel. Ayan siya. Hindi siya kalaki. Ayan, hotel. Ito yung hotel. From there to here, the hotel. And then they have the swimming pool. There is a swimming pool, and I think that swimming pool din dapat doon. So yun. So today weather will be 23 Celsius. I think that will be the temperature today. So I'm just hoping that it's not gonna be so hot. I mean so cold, because right now I did not really bring more I did not bring pants. I just bring some clothes to just take a picture. So I'll show to you guys what I'm wearing today. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a skirt, and this one is from Primark, and I'm wearing my Skechers here. Yeah. Wala kaming sunglass. Ang hirap. Hirap dun sa camera. Wala rin akong sombrero. Hat. mahirap tumingin sa camera. Hirap mag-vlog guys. So, ito yung dagat. Then, I think it's gonna be a good weather. So, pwedeng mag-sunbathing. And I don't know how is it the water. Unless we're going back to the hotel and change. And we're just gonna stay here. Or find a nice place. And Sunday today. So, medyo mahirap. And we don't know anything yet. So, naghahanap kami ng tourist information kung saan pwedeng pumunta dito. And then, ayun, yun lang naman. So, he's so hasty today. That guy is hasty today. God, kailangan ko bumili ng sunglass. Hindi ko alam yung ang daming store na sarado pa. So, hindi ko alam kung magbubukas siya later. So, there's a casa there, guys. Sa casa there. I don't know. This is the information supposed to be, but there's not much. Private building in form of casa. That's it, what they said there. And this is the view. Our view. So from this one. So you can go there as well, but you need to be careful. Yay. Guys, this is how kung gaano siya kataas. Hindi ko alam kung makakakit si Monzi. Pero ang taas niya, grabe. Para na rin ako nag-mountain climb. Ang taas niya po. And be careful while you guys napakit. Oh my God, hinihingal ako. Okay. Kasi, late. Oh my God, this is really an exercise. Nakit namin guys. So, it's this small mountain. It's good for if you want to run and hiking. Actually, you can do so. And I saw the castle. It's a private castle. They said it's there. And here, as you can see, the view is really beautiful. Oh God, such a nice weather. Thank you, Lord. And look, another one. You see, we're going up, 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 up and away. And this guy, I'm so proud of him because he's trying his best. He's just trying his best to come with me here in the high mountain. And he's wearing, look at he's wearing right now. Actually, he was just planning to stay in the beach. And I said, no, I don't want to stay in the beach. I want to go somewhere else. And then we found this one. Seriously. Oh, ang taas niya. Best! Tapos, exercise kung exercise talaga siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Ano ba? So, this is the view now. I don't know if you still can see it. Yeah, that's the view now. So nice. The other side, guys. ano?
Pure mango.
So this is what I'm drinking right now.
So they has diving things. Diving.
For sure. So we're going here again. Mountain climbing again, actually. Hey guys, so because it's Sunday today, there's nothing much to do here, so we're just going around the island. I mean, you know, not the island, and we're just going around here, and some of the restaurants and some of the store are closed, so yeah, we're just going around and around. Actually, this part of Spain, or here in Costa Brava, is good if you guys like a mountain climb, or yeah, if you like those things, it's good. This one, I will definitely recommend this. But then there's nothing much to do because it's Sunday. So ayun, super lakad-lakad lang kami. We're just walking around and have a check what we could see. And I don't wanna just stay in the beach and do sunbathing, so I don't want that. It's so boring, and it's like you're just waiting your time. If there's something to see, then you should invest for it. So yeah, there he is. Earlier we was there on the part, and now we are in the other side. So medyo mahirap pagka summer dito sa, I mean summer na, and summer din sa UK. Ang mahal ng mga holiday, as in you're gonna spend like 1,000 pounds. So ayun, but anyway, it's gonna be worth it, and gonna worth it naman. I'm so eating our lunch na. Yay! So hey guys, so if you guys are planning to game here in Costa Brava, one of their tourist thing is this one, is the museo. So it's because it's Saturday today, it's closed, so ayun. So you can guys go here. I'm not sure if, yeah, this one, I'm not sure if there's an entrance or if it's free. It's because it's Sunday today, so we don't have much information about it. So I'd rather guys, maybe on Monday, Tuesday, maybe on Tuesday, we're gonna try to go back and check again if it's free or not. We'll let you know guys. Hi guys, this is sa Tinutulayan namin hotel. They have internet, and you can play games as well. So ayan, you can play a lot of games, pool, I don't know what you call with that one. So yeah, and we were looking for the indoor pool because I don't want to be outside. It's not like it's so hot outside actually, and I don't know how many stashes we have outside, but I could not swim with this kind of temperature. I want indoor pool. So yeah, that's it.